I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome to my Pilates studio here in Los Angeles, California. This is where I film the weekly online mat classes for onlinepilatesclasses.com. And I love rolling like a ball now. So I have lots of videos on how to do rolling like a ball on my YouTube channel. All these different prep videos with balls and props and magic circles. And I definitely would love to encourage you to check out how to use props with this exercise. But I think knowing that this exercise is more than just a massage for your back, it is something that can really help teach you a lot of the round shapes that happen in Pilates. So first of all, rolling like a ball is not a lowercase c. It's not really even a capital C. It is the longest round shape you can make. It really does help set you up for stomach massage. Stomach massage helps you with this, and rolling like a ball is a great exercise to help you prep for your teaser. So if you are struggling with teaser, double check how your rolling like a ball is, because if you are not actually finding strength in your rolling like a ball, it's going to make it really difficult to use your strength in teaser, okay? Everything in Pilates is really integrated, and I think it's really important that we understand that. So rolling like a ball comes after single leg circles, and for me, the transition, you would just come up and come into yourself. So I don't like to do much else except for just bring your body together unless you happen to be too far back on your mat. And the reason is all this shifting we do relaxes the body. So if you can, with me, lie on your back and then just pull yourself into a ball. Even if you get stuck back here, pull yourself up, okay? Now the hands come down to the ankles. The heels are together, the toes are apart. So right here, a lot of people aren't using much strength at all. It's just kind of like balancing. Put your hands on your knees. Push your knees out into your hands and your hands into your knees until you feel, it takes a couple seconds, until you feel like a little warmth happen right around here. You want that, that's gonna keep your pelvis from rocking. It stabilizes your pelvis. Now your seat is on. The other thing you can do is pull your hands on your shins, like you could pull your heels to your butt, but push your thigh bones forward. So I'm gonna pull here, but I'm gonna push there, and that's gonna create this tug of war with my arm connected to my back. So my leg's trying to explode out, but my arm is trying to hold on here. So you're a ball this way, and you're a ball this way. Cool? So I'm gonna push my shins away, and my thigh bones away, really, and I'm gonna pull, not from up here. So can you feel that pull from right around where your chest is? Then, without dropping your head back, just look at your toes, look at your heels, and rock back and lift up. So a lot of people don't rock back far enough. They kind of rock back, flatten out, and they fling their legs away. So they lost all the connection. But if you're pushing your thigh bones away and pulling on your shins from your arms, look at this. It's like I'm like a rocking horse, right? I'm just going back and I'm coming up. And it's not effortless. There's a lot going on, but you don't see the tension in my face or in my shoulders or my biceps. The tensegrity is happening within my tailbone to the crown of my head, pulling around itself. And then all the muscles around the hips and the shoulder girdle are stabilizing so that I'm just moving in one piece, right? So 3 to 5 of those, rocking back and up. If you are feeling your heels come closer to your seat and then come away from your seat, right? You're doing this and up. That is cheating. We don't want that. You lost your connection to your back. So you want to pull on your ankles, but you still want to push away. If I was doing stomach massage in the reformer, right, I push the foot bar away to take my stomach back. So I'm pushing my thigh bones away so that I can connect my center into my spine. I hope that makes a lot of sense. If you have questions on your rolling like a ball, you can't control your pelvis, you can't get your feet to stay in, definitely check out my videos with the props on rolling like a ball. It'll just help teach you. And take my classes, because I do a really fun trick with the elbows and the knees. You'll feel that center right away. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day.